We are following breaking news. Paramedics responding to reports of carbon monoxide poisoning. This is at a home in Hialeah.
And Local 10 News reporter Erica Rako joins us live. She's at that scene with the very latest. It's an entire family, Erica?
Yes, Christy and Eric, we're talking about 2 children and 2 adults. According to a neighbor, the children are about 5 and 6 years old. This all unfolding around 5:30 this morning. Let me show you what the problem is. Right here in between these 2 apartment buildings, I want to direct your attention to that fence. You can see there's an awning, a covered portion to this patio, and you can see a white door that's propped open. That goes to the inside of this apartment unit. Well, right outside that door, if you take a look at this piece of video I have, you're going to see 2 generators and the door open. That's what the problem was. According to firefighters, this family was running a couple of generators under this awning, and they had the door propped open, and carbon monoxide filled the home. The 2 children and 2 adults tested for high levels of carbon monoxide and had to be rushed to the hospital. A neighbor here telling us that he was outside when all of this was unfolding and the police were responding.
CO in their system, and so therefore protocols say that they're all going to have to be transported to Mercy for the hyperbaric chamber. And now we're going around checking the rest of the people that live in the different apartments.
And so that right there was firefighters over the radio calling for help and what they were finding here at the scene. This is 10th Street and Palm Avenue in Hialeah, but that neighbor did tell us that the mom had fainted and then threw up, and that's how they knew something wasn't right. Called 911. Firefighters came here and tested them. We know that a lot of South Florida is still without power, specifically this neighborhood in Hialeah, which is why these generators are being used. People are being advised not to put them in the house, and also be careful putting them under these covered areas with access to your home, because it could result in something like this. We do know that all 4 that were transported, the 2 children and adults, are said to be in stable condition. We're live in Hialeah. Erica Rako, Local 10 News.